Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian Gutierrez, and today I'm gonna talk about this photo. As you can see, this photo you can appreciate a little boy drinking glass milk. This photo was called Crónica sobre la leche, and I have chosen it because as far as I'm concerned, this photo represents the innocence and the hope among the war, chaos, and violence. Uh, this photo this photo was taken by Sandy Gonzalez in 1948 at Bogota, the same year in which the frightening event called El Bogotazo occurred, um, in which whole Colombia uh, got shocked about the murder by the murder of Jorge Leiser Gaitán. I think that what Sandy Gonzalez was trying to say is that no matter what was happening out there, I think we should think beyond ourselves. We must think about their children, about their future, about the place they're gonna live. Because today we have milk, but tomorrow we don't know if we're gonna have. And finally, um, this photo touches my heart because this little, probably this little kid didn't realize what was happening out there. And probably he grew up listening to argues, fighting, bad news, and little by little, uh, his childhood and innocence was destroyed.